welcome back to another Poolside Chat presented by InyoPools.com. I'm Rob.
And I am Matthew. Rob, did you know that some people call us the peas and carrots side dish of the internet?
I didn't know that.
It's because no one wants us, but we're still here. The question goes as such. I have an odd-shaped in-ground pool. How do I know what cover size I should use? Rob?
Thanks for the question, Matthew. The first thing you want to do is, regardless of the shape of your pool, let's say you have a free-form shape, you want to measure the longest length and the widest width. And, or if you have a rectangle pool with step section on the end, just go from one end of the pool all the way to the end of those steps and take that longest measurement. And once you have that, you can take the next step. So let's say, for example, it measures 17 by 34. You'd go to our cover page and look for a cover that size. Now, obviously, that's kind of an odd-sized pool.
Some would say too odd.
Too odd, yeah. So you'd look for the next size up, which would be 18 by 36. And you might be wondering, well, is that too much material? No, it's not. And why?
Yeah, because with winter covers, you need to have that extra material so the cover can go up on the deck, and then you can set the water bags or whatever kind of weight you want to use to keep the winter cover in place. Also, some people like to lower their water level when they're winterizing their pool, and you can use that extra material from the overhang to compensate for the lower water level. Would this rule also apply to safety covers?
That's another great question. You're on a roll today.
He told me to ask it. He's just complimenting himself.
Yeah, no, that rule does not apply to safety covers. The safety covers need to fit your exact shape and size. The reason being is because there's padding around the edge of the cover that prevents the coping from rubbing on the cover and tearing a hole. So if you put an oversized safety cover on a undersized pool, it's going to rub and you're going to get a hole, it's going to void the warranty, and you're out of luck. So no, safety covers need to be exact, winter covers need to be same size or larger. So I think that answers the question, I believe.
Does it answer it, or does it cover it? We try our best to avoid the puns, but that was just sitting there. If you have any questions about anything pool and spa, please visit us over at InyoPools.com. And as always, thank you for joining us. Bye.